Good day to everyone. I'm Elaine Corpuz TFL-G12SS from Alaminos City National High School. In this video, I'll give you steps on how to assemble a computer. Let's go! Step 1. Prepare your workplace. Take inventory. Before you start, take an inventory of your parts. Do not begin assembling your computer if you don't have everything you need. Make space and time. Prepare grounding protection. Have the drivers already. Step 2. Prepare the motherboard. Great care should be taken when installing it into the motherboard. Inspect the motherboard carefully for any visible effects. Read the manual to make sure that layout of the motherboard. Step 3. Install the CPU. Use the unlocking mechanism to open the CPU socket. Carefully line up the pins and place the chip in the socket. Lower the lock of the CPU into place. Step 4. Install the CPU heatsink. Follow the manufacturer's direction to install the heatsink and the fan. Attach the clip that holds the heatsink. If you are not sure, check the manual. Plug the CPU fan power connector into the motherboard. Step 5. Install the memory RAM modules. Insert the memory into proper sockets. Push down firmly the clips on the both sides. Step 6. Place the motherboard into the case. Screw all the pattern of the holes in the motherboard. Check the layout and sockets and confirm that the ports back panel match the holes on the cases. Step 7. Connect the power supply. First, plug in the ATX power connector into the motherboard. Attach CPU, power connector, hard disk, and for the front panel connector, check and read the label of any small details while installing it. Step 8. Install video cards. Install the graphic board in the AGP or PCI slot. Screw the card to secure it. Step 9. Install internal drives. Attach the connector either SATA or PATA. Screw to attach drivers to the rails of the case. Connect the power cables to the motherboard. Step 10. Install the add-in cards. For each card, you must choose a free PCI slot. Carefully position the card above the slot and press down firmly to secure the card with a screw.
And that's all for this video. Hoping that you have learned in these steps for assemble a computer.
Thank you for watching.